If you want to add an event to calendar on Realme GT 7T, all you have to do is first of all open the app drawer and we need to find the calendar app. Once you open it, you should be able to press this plus button in the bottom right corner. Over here we can set up an event, birthday, anniversary, countdown, and so on and so forth. So of course we're gonna stick with the event. Over here we can set up the title. We can choose if the event should last the whole day or not. You can choose the date when it starts and when it ends, as well as the time if the event doesn't last the whole day. We also have the choice of the time zone. We can decide if the event repeats or not. We can set up reminders. You can select multiple reminders at once. We also have the sound alert. We can set up the location. We can choose which Google account we want to assign, or which account in general we want to assign this event to. We can also add guests over here and additional remarks. Once you are done, press done in the top right corner to create the event, and there we have it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.